Hey everybody, Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be highlighting the movements of our Presider. This is our 7700D with headrest. You can also get it as a 7700 without headrest. Also today, we're highlighting it with our upgraded executive arms. It does come standard with adjustable arms on either side. This is a premier executive ergonomic chair offering that we have. It's been well received since its launch, and some of the unique features of this is not only the Enersorb throughout, but the movements that I'm going to show you in the chair. And with our upgraded arms, okay, you can have a movement back and forth. There is a button, two buttons on the inside. Your far back button adjusts your back and forward motion. Your front button adjusts your three-way pivot. Okay. Underneath the chair at the very front, at the bottom, you're going to find a dial you can turn, and that's going to adjust the movement of your back in terms of increasing tension or making it easier to move the chair as you prefer. It has built-in lumbar support incorporated into the back of the chair, and on your right side there's a gas lift that you simply lift up to raise the chair, lift up again, and with your weight you're going to go down to your position you require. On the right hand side is your tilt control. Now this is a multi-position tilt. So in its down position, you're locked in position. When you lift it up, you are allowed to be in what's called a free float, and you have a rocking motion as you like to move in your chair as you prefer through the day. If you want to lock it in a desired position, you simply push your lever down, it clicks, and that stays in a recline for you. Okay, if I want to get that back where it's locked upright again, I'm simply going to push, or rather pull my lever up. I'm going to do a bit of a push back. It's a posi back release. And then I'm going to sit up and the chair rises with me. It doesn't catapult me or throw me out of the chair. And that, folks, is our Presider. And if you'd like to know more, please come and visit us at nightingalechairs.com.